Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking a lot of strawberries, some crushed cookie crumbs, and we are making the creamiest, dreamiest no-bake strawberry cheesecake, the perfect end to a summer's meal. Let's go! Okay, we're gonna start with our crust. I'm using some Nilla wafer cookies. You can use Chessman cookies or graham crackers. Go ahead and place these into your food processor. We're gonna crush these up until it is like this, crumbly like that. Okay, now we're gonna add in some melted butter just to kind of hold everything together. And when you're done, it'll kind of look like wet sand. You want it to be like, like that right there. That looks perfect. Okay, we're gonna place this into our springform pan, dump it right on in, and now we're gonna press it. You're gonna press it as hard as you can, pack it down just like that because you want it to be nice and firm so that when you cut it, it won't be all crumbly and stuff. So pack it down, nice and firm, perfect. Set that aside. Let's move to our strawberries. Okay, so we're gonna add our strawberries into the food processor, dump it in just like this. Pile them all in there if it'll fit. Okay, yeah. And now we're going to go ahead and process these. Now, what we're going to do here, once they're all processed like that in like a puree, we're going to add this to a saucepan. And we're going to cook this bad boy down until this entire thing of strawberries is reduced to like a half a cup. Because we do not need all that juice and all that water. We just want pure strawberry. Look at that. That's all we need. Just good old strawberry. Yes, okay, set that aside. We're gonna go ahead and put this all together. So I'm gonna add my cream cheese into a bowl, a whole lot of cream cheese, honey. 3 big old blocks of that bad boy. So go ahead and dump that into a bowl. Get your little mixer and just kind of mix it around, get it all creamy. Throw in some powdered sugar to sweeten everything up a bit. And you also want to make sure that you are scraping down the sides of the bowl. That way everything gets mixed in. Next, we're going to add in our strawberries that we made. Nice and thick. It's so pretty and red. It's going to give our batter such a beautiful pink color. So go ahead and just dump that right on in. And then we're going to get our mixer to kind of mix it on up. And it'll take on this really, really pretty pink color. Okay, you don't need to add any food coloring if you don't want to. Okay, because it's a nice light pink color and I think it's so pretty. Okay, so that's done. Next, I'm going to add in some melted white chocolate. This right here, oh my gosh, it just goes so well with the strawberry. It kind of gives it like a vanilla, creamy strawberry taste. So divine. So add that on in there. Okay, next we have some natural strawberry flavoring going in just to really bump up that strawberry flavor. Make it taste all juicy and stuff, like a strawberry. Okay, we're going to make our Cool Whip now, our homemade Cool Whip. I'm going to add some heavy cream to a bowl. I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar to kind of sweeten it on up a little bit, and we're just gonna mix this up until it forms stiff peaks and is nice and fluffy. I have like so many voices, you guys. My husband was like, you have like so many voices in your voiceovers, it's crazy. I can't help it. I just like to, I like doing different voices. Oh, it's ready. Y'all see that? It was nice stiff peaks. Go ahead and just dump that right into the batter. Yes, luscious. Now you really should use a mixer. I didn't use a mixer and mine was like really, really streaky. If you want to add food coloring, now's your chance. Here's your one chance fancy. Add it right there, okay? If you want to add it in there. Okay, now we're going to just place this into our prepared pan. Dump it in, smooth it out, get it nice and smooth. I like to kind of, shake it a little bit just to make sure everything is nice and flat and even and smooth on the top. That's perfect. Go ahead and cover it, refrigerate it for about 3 hours, at least 3 hours. And then when it comes out, you can remove that plastic wrap and very carefully release it from the pan. Okay, just like that. And then just kind of shimmy it on up. It kind of releases very, very easily. And then you are done. That's it. You have a note. Look at that. Oh, so thick and creamy. We didn't have to use any gelatin, any of that kind of stuff in this cheesecake because it's nice and firm already. As far as decorations, this is as good as it's gonna get over here. A little thing of Cool Whip and a strawberry. Yeah, and call it a day, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.